What's going on, guys? It's Double O Dude, and yeah, I'm back at it again. Today I'm going to go ahead and continue on with the patch that I had started, do a little cleanup, and I figured to bring you guys along. Alright, let me get these off here. I think it's going to be good enough for what I want. I mean, the biggest thing to keep in mind is I'm just trying to get all of this stuff in there solid, where the holding, and when I'm ready to paint and stuff, I'm using a seam sealer to keep the water from penetrating on the bottom and on the top. So I think that's good enough for that portion of this. I'm going to go down now in the wheel well and see what I can do there. Okay, guys, at this point I'm going to try to make this top patch that's going to go here. Went ahead and cut out a piece to put in there, and seems to fit pretty good. I'll transfer that to metal, and I think this one I'm just going to spot weld in place, because I know I'm going to be using the seam putty. And well, there you are. This one I think I'm just going to spot weld into place, and it's also going to give me an opportunity to utilize my pneumatic. I think it's called a jobber, but it also has a hole punch on it to make holes for spot welds. So I think that's what I'm going to try to do. Alright, guys, this is a tool that I bought. It's like 35 bucks, Harbor Freight. On one side, it actually will take metal and bend a little groove in it. On the other side, it makes holes for a hole punch. So let's try it out and see how this works. I've learned don't dick with anything without your gloves on, at least if you're holding the metal. See what this looks like. Look at that. It's like a pretty fancy pants hole. Alright, guys, feel pretty good about that. Let's see if we can spot weld it in. That's as good as I can get it, man. It's a damn mess, but it's not a big hole. So with seam filler and some type of rust protection, we'll be good to go. Alright, it's pretty slow going, but I'm getting better at making the panels and stuff, but my welder still sucks. I just wish I could take a little of the heat down on the thing. I don't know exactly what I need to do so, but the next place I'm doing is right here, and I've made this nice panel that drops in there. So I'm going to spot weld it into place and you know, kind of go on to the next one. But yeah, don't get the spot weld thing. I'll figure it out though. Alright, so how it goes now is, well, the grinder decided to stop working. Thank you, Harbor Freight. And I didn't get the $9.99 or the $15.99. I bought the $20 one, but obviously I need to go back and maybe get a DeWalt or a Makita or something like that. It will come back on, but it has to sit for like 30-40 minutes before it cools down, I guess. But anyway, progress is, and it looks horrible right now because I can't grind it, but I've got this welded in. I've got the bottom one welded in and around the corner. I still got to get this little spot down here somehow or another, and then over here, up underneath here, started doing this one, and I grinded it off, and it all came off. So yeah, that all needs to be spot welded back on. So yeah, not the most productive welding day by any means, but it's like I said when I started this, if you don't start somewhere, you don't learn. So I'm gonna keep on trucking along. But guys, till next time, peace out.